Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation, Chapter 18, Shloka 77. Remembering and again remembering that most wonderful form of Hari. Great is my wonder, O King, and I rejoice again and again.
Chapter 18, Shloka 77. Taccha samsmritya rupam adi adbhutam harehe vismayo me mahan rajan hrishyami cha punah punah.
Chapter 18, Shloka 77. Sanjay confesses that not only the message of the Gita enchants his mind, but even the memory of the Lord's wondrous form as the total manifested universe creates joy in his heart. Sanjay saw the vision of the cosmic form as given in chapter 11 as given by Lord Krishna. That vision is not only impressive but unforgettable. Gita reveals to us the glorious purpose in life. It inspires and thrills the thinking aspect in man. As the substratum of the universe, behind every name and form, beneath every experience, and under every situation, it provides a thrill and satisfaction in the hearts of all true seekers. Full of devotion, Sanjay is transported into an inspired sense of fulfillment as his heart, which is soaked with devotion, is thrilled with silence of understanding. In such a state, he expresses his satisfaction. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.